The BMW X2 M35i is a manifestation of BMW's athletic aesthetic in the compact premium segment, showcasing a blend of sportiness and elegance. Its design underpins the Sports Activity Coupe concept, characterized by dynamic lines and a distinct coupe silhouette, establishing a unique stance in the BMW lineup. One standout feature is the model-specific front end, which along with striking LED headlights and an almost hexagonal BMW kidney grille, manifests a modern and confident look. These elements, paired with optional adaptive LED headlights, contribute to the vehicle's functional and stylish appeal. The car's dimensions have been significantly enlarged compared to its predecessor, growing in width and height. This expansion in size not only enhances its visual appeal, but also benefits interior space, creating a more comfortable environment for both passengers and cargo. The rear design is equally compelling, with prominently flared wheel arches and muscular shoulders, enriching the sporty flavor of the vehicle. A gurney-style spoiler and an eye-catching rear apron further accentuate its athletic profile, harmoniously integrating with the rest of the design. Specific to the BMW X2 M35i are the two pairs of exhaust tailpipes integrated into the rear apron, which inspire the vehicle with a dynamic aura. This feature underscores the performance-oriented nature of this model, distinguishing it within the X2 series. An M Sport package is available, introducing aerodynamically optimized exterior details. This package, along with the optional M Sport Package Pro, adds extended M high-gloss shadowline exterior trim, M lights shadowline, an M rear spoiler, and an M Sport braking system with red-painted calipers, amplifying the sporty demeanor of the BMW X2 M35i. The color palette for the exterior includes 2 solid and 11 metallic paint finishes, among them a new fire red metallic variant. This broad spectrum allows for personalization, letting owners choose a color that best represents their style. Inside, the BMW X2 exudes a modern premium ambiance highlighted by sporting touches. The slender instrument panel houses the BMW curved display, which along with a floating armrest with integral control panel, enriches the interior aesthetics while ensuring functionality. The center console hosts 2 cup holders and a smartphone tray with indirect illumination and wireless charging, blending practicality with modern technology. These features, coupled with the modern design, ensure a luxurious and comfortable driving experience. The BMW X2 M35i doesn't just excel in aesthetics, but also in performance. It is geared towards enhancing the dynamic nature of the compact SAC with its M design and handling traits. Powered by a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, it boasts an output of 300 horsepower in Europe, 317 horsepower in the USA and other markets, sprinting to 62 miles per hour in 5.4 seconds. This performance model pairs M-specific chassis tuning with BMW xDrive intelligent all-wheel drive and features standard adaptive M suspension for agility and comfort. Optional M compound brakes further augment its performance profile, making it an enticing choice for those seeking a blend of speed, handling, and comfort. Set for a worldwide market launch in March 2024, the BMW X2 M35i reflects BMW's continuous endeavor to provide innovative and appealing vehicles. The availability of other model variants, including another petrol option and a diesel model, further broadens the choice for prospective buyers, making the X2 series versatile and appealing. The BMW X2 M35i is a compelling proposition for those seeking a sporty, stylish, and technologically advanced compact vehicle. With its distinctive design, luxurious interior, and the promise of an exhilarating driving experience, it embodies the modern sports activity coupe ethos BMW aims to deliver. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.